All right, guys, moment of truth. Here we go. Oh my God, it's alive, guys. It is alive. I'm so stoked. I can't believe it. It's idling too. Yes, sir. All right, guys, so we've made it to this part. This is probably what you've all been waiting for, the riding videos on the CB-1. I just figured it's a bit of a warmer day, even though it's February right now. That's why I got the fit on. So I just have to show you guys this thing. It's like 10,000 RPM rips. So enough talking. Let's get a little clip of me riding this thing, and I'll show you guys what a great bike this is. Let's do it. Alright guys, so that is it for the CB-1 work, and then also a little bit of rip there. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's really hard to not just keep this thing at 10 grand all the time, but my tires are shot and it is a little chilly for riding right now. So I just had to be a little careful. I know too, I'm probably gonna get a lot of crap for this. Probably should be wearing a legit jacket and everything. There's really just no excuse. Honestly, I have nothing to say to that. If somebody comments that, you're just straight up right, and I'm just being stupid. But I just figured you guys would like to see that. We got some more exciting stuff in the works for this. I'm hoping eventually to get a Krapovich muffler for it, and then hopefully by that time I'll have a nice welder so I can weld stainless steel a little better, and I was hoping to make my own system. Obviously I'll have to mess with jetting after that because it'll be a little more high flow than the stock one. The stock one is actually very rare and expensive, so I may even sell that on just to kind of put toward the, sorry I got the helmet beard now, put toward the new exhaust. And then I'm thinking something really cool, really funky for the tires. I'm gonna leave it pretty close to stock just because I feel like this bike in stock form already looks really good and it does everything really nicely. So that's it for that one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Not sure what's gonna be. Could be a motorcycle, could be a car, but we'll be working on something. So I'll see you then, all right?